as mentioned, my journey of Express Toastmasters Club began on 2015. Not in this room, but actually in room number 8. Very small room. When I entered the room, I saw myself surrounded by a couple of people sitting, but they were all passionate. The first person who gazed at me was the late DTM Aqil, who looking at me, the strange guy just entered the room. And then we sat down, and after the meeting, we got all of us introduction. Later that day, I became a member of this club. And one day, an amazing thing happened. Those days were the days that DTM Aqil recently got his 5th DTM award. So one day he brought his golden tub, in which when you received after you complete your DTM award, and brought it to the meeting and said, "Today I received my 5th DTM award. Let's celebrate." And we celebrated. That day, when I was just a young, fresh Toastmaster, just discovered that, what is that? I was sitting in the back. You know what was my first impression? Anybody? What could be your first impression if DTM Ameri just shows his plan?
One day I'll be there.
I want to get it.
I want one! I want that one! Actually, it wasn't. I thought that when I joined Toastmaster, I will receive a certificate. Then I will show off to my friends and say, "I'm a Toastmaster," and then I go home. That's it. So with this keep in mind, I went to the president of the club, Toastmaster Aqil. I said, I just filled my form. When will I receive my certificate? So Toastmaster Aqil looked at me and said, "You have to give 10 projects before that." Those were the CC projects, if you don't know. And I said, "So I don't get any certificate?" He said, "No." I said, "Okay, when will I get my first turn?" He said, "Immediately, you will get it." But at that time, DTM Aqil was also over there. I said that, "No, I will assign you whenever I say." So I waited weeks and weeks and weeks. So finally, I got a chance to speak. But those were the days, actually, that the things were started at this very same club. I remember those days that we had a very minimum number of Toastmasters in every meeting. But the thing is, Toastmaster International provided such a platform for everybody that you will meet with different and passionate people that you will ever see. And those were the life-changing moments that I faced till now. And I'm attached to Toastmasters. Even I gave so many breaks during my time, but again, as Toastmaster Ameri just said, I aimed for that distinguished award. And I'm going to get that. Because that's the thing, that's the legacy that DTM Aqil planted on everybody. And that's the opportunity, that's the responsibility of each and every Toastmaster to go for it and show the Toastmaster community and grow the Toastmaster community with this distinguished award. So, for my final question from you guys, when will be your turn to show your skills? That's all from myself. Over to Toastmaster.